Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the microphone is not working along with your OBS Studios app, then watch this video to find the solution. The first thing we need to do is add audio input capture into OBS. So I'll open the OBS app and then normally I will have display capture here, so I will not interfere with it. But if your microphone is not working with your OBS app, then you need to click on the plus sign here and then click on audio input capture and add it there, and it should start working for you. But if this doesn't work for you, then the next thing you need to do is check whether the OBS studio has enabled the permission for the microphone. So for that we need to right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we need to click on privacy and security. Now scroll down, you see microphone here, and we need to check if OBS has the permission. So these desktop apps have access to your microphone. OBS Studio currently in use. That means it should work for you once you enable the permission. Now the next thing we can do is we can check if any third-party apps, recording apps are active on the system, which will cause OBS to not work, which will interfere with the working of OBS. For that we need to look for Task Manager, and in Task Manager we need to check for any third party recording service, and if it is there then we will just click on it and then click on end task, and then your OBS should start working. If none of these solutions work, which is very rare, then the final solution is to repair and reset the OBS app, and for that we need to right click on the start button, go to settings, click on apps, click on installed apps, and then we'll search for the OBS app, OBS Studio. So here you go, right click on the three buttons, and then since you cannot repair and reset it, we will uninstall and reinstall it. So click on uninstall, uninstall again, and then we will go to Windows Store and OBS Studio, and we will click on get, and it should start working again. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.